Welcome back, guys. We got another light review that we were asked to do by AUTOONE. They emailed us, and we were happy to do it for them. So we got these lights. They're fog lights. They are what are they? What size are they?
H11s.
H11s, and we're gonna put them in this Jeep here. One set is yellow and one set is white. We're gonna do both of them, see how different they are, and obviously we're gonna see the difference between the stock lights that are in it and these LEDs. So,
if you're wondering why we have this going on here, it's because I can't figure out how to shut the headlights off and only run the fogs. Don't know if that's an option. So we're just covering it up so that we can actually see the difference between the fogs.
yeah, well, I think we'll have to try it with it running. I don't think it's gonna let us with it off.
Yeah, well, we'll find out.
But we're gonna get right into unboxing these and see how we like them. So let's get to it.
All right, so we're gonna start unboxing these lights now. Something to note, Cody pointed out, so we said in the beginning that these are H11 bulbs, but on here it's marked that they are also H8, H9, H16, and JP. I'm not familiar with JP, but apparently H11 is compatible with all those different ones.
JP, I would assume that's Japan, and because this one says EU.
Okay, so yeah.
I got the white, and he's got the yellow.
3000K yellow.
And mine's 6000K white.
Let's pop these bad boys open. Should get a pair of gloves in there, right? No?
Not in these ones.
I'm surprised. Most companies have a pair of gloves to go with them.
These ones do not have collars. These ones do not have adjustable collars like the other ones.
You know?
No. They have a really thick seal.
Yeah.
Oh, you can see the ears are yellow.
I can pull the seal off. Okay, interesting.
Yours doesn't have a lip on it?
Well, it has a lip on the... I don't know if you can even see this on the camera or not, but... I don't know if I've ever had lights that had a seal like that on them.
Yeah, you see these ones don't have adjustable collars like the other ones did. And they got a little lip on there to hold the seal on. They look decent.
Oh yeah, I can see what you mean.
These ones don't have fans though.
Color difference. Oh, you're right.
These ones do not have cooling fans. And they're...
I wonder if that's going to have any issues not having cooling fans.
They're significantly lighter.
You think so?
I think so.
Well, it doesn't have all the extra stuff.
And they're also not... Were the other ones a solid casing? No, they were a two-piece case, right?
I don't remember.
They look pretty solid, so hopefully they last. I can't count the LEDs. Looks like maybe 6 or 3. 3 on each side.
It's interesting how they put it together with the screws. I don't remember if the other ones were like that or not.
They were just really well packaged. Be cool to take one apart though.
Alright, so nothing too crazy, nothing too special. Not having the fans in there makes me a little nervous. I'm not sure if that's actually going to make a big difference or not. But some of these lights tend to run pretty hot. I know they're LEDs, but they can get pretty warm depending on how intense they are.
Actually, every set that we've done so far has had fans on.
Pulling fans, yeah. So we'll throw these in a little bit. We're going to show you a video on the halogen bulbs that are on the fogs right now to show you what they look like, and then we'll pop these bad boys in. We'll do probably yellows because these are pretty close. The halogens are pretty close to yellow tint, so we'll just run the yellows first and then run the whites right after.
Let's see how dramatic that yellow is.
All right, so let's get to it.
Operation life is 50,000 hours. Why?
Steps to get warranty. Here's a good one you gotta add in there. Steps to get warranty. So if you want to warranty this bulb, step 1, damage the LED chips of the bulb. They want you to destroy the chip.
Oh, so that way they know.
And then take a photo.
That way
like
they
the picture.
know you're not trying to scam them.
To scam them. You have to damage the bulb. That's interesting. I don't know if the other one said that or not.
I don't think so. Actually.
Send a picture and your order number to them, and they'll arrange replacements after checking the pictures and order details. It's interesting. So this is from a previous LED review we did. There was a picture right there. Steps to get warranty. Damaged LED chips of the bulb, takes photos. Yeah, this is pretty much the same general image. See this or not? Bring it up to you.
Up more?
More? How's that?
That was good.
See it?
Yeah.
Which is pretty funny. Like, we did the LED review of the one company, did the video, and then right after, another LED company got a hold of us, sent us the LED bulbs, we did a review, and then this company sent us a request to do a review collaboration too. So I don't know if they're in the same network or what, but
Somebody must really like our videos.
I mean, if people want to keep sending us stuff like this to do reviews, we're more than happy to do them. So
Yeah, we'll do more than lights too. We can do light housings, tail light bulbs, anything really.
we are open to it.
All right, so this is our before of our halogen bulbs. You can see they both work. They're both pretty even. They look white, but they're a little yellow in real life. So we'll switch those out. I don't know which ones we're gonna do first. Which ones you want to do first? You want to do the yellow or the white?
This is because they're the closest comparison to what these are.
Okay, so we're gonna do the yellow first and see what that looks like. All right, so you're gonna have to deal with the flickering. Sorry, that's just what happens with LEDs sometimes and frame rate. But they don't look too bad. They're not in godly yellow, but they aren't overpowered by the headlights at all. He's got LED headlights, so they work pretty good. We're gonna switch over to the white ones and see what those ones look like. All right, so we got the white set in. They're just as bright, a little bit crisper too. Here's the headlights. They match pretty well. The headlights are a little bit more white. Well, that's just one headlight anyway. I'd say they're just about as bright as the low beams. Definitely brighter than the stock halogen bulbs. What do you think?
I like the color match. I like the same color as the headlights. I've been told that yellow is better for fog. The white just kind of clears right off the fog and it just kind of blinds you. But aesthetically, I'd prefer the white over the yellow. I'm probably going to leave these white ones in. One thing to note is that, like we had mentioned before, there are no cooling fans in these lights. Just running that little bit for the test for the yellows, when we pulled them out, they were fairly warm. Not enough to burn you, but they were pretty warm. And that's just running it for maybe just a couple minutes. So we're going to run these for a little while in this car and see if they get like overly hot, overheat, maybe just stop working. And then we'll let you guys know how it goes. I'll show you guys how we get to these fog lights. It's not terrible on this car. It's a little bit more in depth than the truck that we did. But all right, so they're just a push pin. It's got little ribs on it. That's what kind of holds it in place. Excuse me. So there's just a hole in here. Should probably have to get something to tap it in. No, there we go. So in order to get those off, depending on how hard it is in there, I've used a knife before to pop them out. But if you have these tools, these are very handy to basically, if this was in the body, you would just slip this under and then pry at it, and that'll pull these out of there. So in order to get the fog light in, pop that little guy out, pull the inner fender away a little bit, and that'll give you access to the fog light. And so with this company, they gave us an affiliate link just like the other companies did. So we'll put that link either in the bottom of the video or just in the title of the video. And then We also have a discount code for you guys. We'll probably keep it the same way as the other ones. It'll be Euro 15 right here. If it's 15% off, I think it's 15% off. It's either 15 or 20. Either way, it'll be right here on the bottom of the video. And thank you for watching another video. I hope you guys use our link and buy some headlights, and we'll see you next time.